Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making a salted pretzel, I think, of some sort. You're going to need salt, which I put in this lovely... Well, it's kind of spread all over this thing. You can't really tell that's in there, but I do have a little bit of salt. I'm not going to do a huge amount because I don't feel like salting this entire fucking rim with a shot glass. And you'll also need whipped cream, vodka, and hazelnut liqueur. Now, I've never had this before. A coworker told me about it and was like, oh yeah, you should try this. And I'm like, alright, I'll give it a try. Now, I'm not really sure how to adhere the salt. I think I'm gonna go with like simple syrup. Just like a little dab of it, just to put a small bit on this like rim right here. Just a little bit of it. And then we'll go ahead and make the shot. Because, again, I'm not really sure how I want to adhere the salt. But I figured simple syrup would probably work just fine if I just add like a small little dab of it right here. That should, in theory, work. And if it doesn't work, well, oh well, I guess. Do a little small bit, and then... Well, it sort of worked. Yeah, that's probably fine. Just put this up here and hopefully don't forget about it because that would be really unfortunate. So I put a little bit of salt on there. It probably would have went better if I had like lime or a lemon or an orange. Put the juices on there that way, but oh well. I believe everything is equal parts. I do not remember. I also got these lovely pour tops now. So, because somebody said that I struggle with the tops of things and it makes a video longer, and I should do it, you know, sort of professionally. So, or as professionally as I can. As I shake around with this stupid fucking shaker that I have. We'll put that back on top. And then our whipped cream vodka. Again, I believe it's all equal parts. And if it's not, well, oh well. We're just gonna wing it. And there's that. And this is apparently a salted pretzel shot. Okay. Huh. Wow. That is insane. I mean, the simple syrup made it a little sweeter, but that's insane. Basically what you do is you lick off the salt and then take a shot. That was really good. Wow. It's kind of like, maybe like one of those soft salted pretzels. Like one of those. That's kind of what it tastes like. It's been a while since I had some of those, but that's what I'm kind of imagining it to be. These two, I'm not really sure how the fuck it works out like this. It's almost about as weird as the toasted marshmallow that I did a long time ago, which I will plan on redoing at some point because better lighting. But yeah, no, this is delicious. I'd recommend it. It's a quick and easy shot if you can get some Frangelico and or hazelnut liqueur of any type and some whipped cream vodka. You're good. I don't know if I explained what I was doing with those. I just know they were here. And I'm not even drunk yet. This is the first shot of the night. Oh dear God. And it's only gonna get worse. It's only gonna get worse. Oh no, that's that. Never mind. If you guys have any shot ideas or drink ideas or something, leave a comment down below and I will give them a try. It might take me a little bit to get to them, but I will give them a try. Thanks for watching. If you like that, go check out my other videos. We also now have a Discord, link down in the description. Give me a like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time.